Anthropic Economic Index insights from Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So they want to see how their new model influences economy, jobs, for both the non-reasoning and the reasoning model. So this model has strengths in agentic coding and new extended thinking mode. This model is really good for coding. For the new model, they saw a rise in use for coding, education, science, and healthcare applications. The extended thinking mode is used mostly or a lot for computer science research, software development, multimedia animation, and video game design. There is also augmentation versus automation, where, for example, for copywriting, there is a lot of AI helping human, while for translation, there is a lot of AI replacing the human. Here we can see the graph. The gray is previous report, and the colored is current report, and computer mathematical education and life, physical, and social science, all of them increased as percentage of what the Claude is being used for. And keep in mind, even though these look like they decreased, these are relative, not absolute use cases. So this may be decreased as a relative just because these other increased. So now this is this represents lower proportion of what people are using it for. Here we can see which occupation use the thinking mode, the thinking model most. So it's mostly computer and information research scientists, and then software developers, application developers, system software, so computer science a lot. Then we have bioinformatics. We also have multimedia artists and animators. Weirdly, I don't know why they're using it for, what they're using it for. Statisticians, web developers. So this graph and this graph, they could be result of Claude becoming better at coding, and also coding, people discovering new ways to apply coding to other areas, maybe this multimedia animation, maybe. And also this could be a result of some other undiscovered capabilities that the model just has, that maybe even Anthropic doesn't know about yet. Here you can see for different job categories or task categories, I should say automation, which is blue ones, versus augmentation, which is pink and left. So for healthcare, for learning, social sciences, there is a lot of this is a lot of augmentation and little automation. But if we scroll down, computer mathematics, there is around 50-50 between augmentation and automation. So then we can also get more granular. For example, for copywriters and editors, we can see a lot of task iteration, which is a form of augmentation. This is the yellow one. So this is where copywriters tell the AI to give different versions of the writing. And in translators and interpreters, there is a lot of directive behavior, which is direct replacement or automation. The conclusion is that thinking mode is used mostly for technical tasks. And there is a bit of expansion of what the model is being used for. Help me make these videos full-time by supporting me on Patreon, link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.